Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Welcome to 28814 Creekside Bend Drive in the heart of Cross Creek Ranch. This beautifully maintained home offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality. With an inviting open concept floor plan, this home features 5-bed, 3.5 bathrooms, a private home office, and a large game room, ideal for work, play, and everyday living. The gourmet kitchen boasts sleek granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a large center island, and plenty of cabinet space, all overlooking the bright living room with soaring ceilings and abundant natural light. The private primary suite is a true retreat, offering a spa-like ensuite bath with dual vanities, a soaking tub, a separate shower, and 2 large walk-in closets. Nestled in a vibrant master-planned community, this home enjoys resort-style amenities including pools, trails, fitness centers, lakes, and parks. Don't miss your chance to live in one of Fulshear's most sought-after neighborhoods. Call me for a private tour today.